Ever start pricing out a new front door and suddenly you're stuck between fiberglass and steel, wondering which one is actually a smarter investment? Because one sounds stronger and the other looks better, and the prices aren't even close. So which one really gives you the best value? Hi, I'm Elijah Clem, and today we're breaking down fiberglass versus steel entry doors so you can confidently choose what's right for you and your home. Let's start with the big idea. The main difference between fiberglass and steel comes down to the outer material, what's called the skin. Steel doors use metal, while fiberglass doors use a molded composite that can mimic smooth or wood grain finishes. But what really matters is how that difference impacts cost, durability, appearance, and long-term value. First, what do they have in common? Both fiberglass and steel doors are a major upgrade over traditional wood. They're more energy efficient, require less maintenance, and offer better resistance to moisture, insects, and everyday wear. So no matter which direction you go, you're already making a smart improvement. Now let's talk about where they really separate: cost versus value. If your main goal is getting the most return on your investment, steel doors tend to come out on top. In fact, steel entry door replacement has ranked one of the highest ROI home improvement projects, recouping well over its cost in resale values in some cases. Why? Because steel doors are typically more affordable up front, but still deliver a big boost in curb appeal. Fiberglass doors, on the other hand, usually cost more. Sometimes significantly more depending on the style and features, but they're not about being the cheapest option. They're about premium performance and aesthetics. Fiberglass really shines whenever it comes to appearance, making it a popular choice for homeowners who want that high-end custom feel. It's also more resistant to dents, won't rust or corrode, and tends to stay cooler to the touch in direct sunlight. Steel doors, on the flip side, are the workhorse option. They're strong, secure, and budget-friendly. Many homeowners like the solid, sturdy feel they provide, especially when security is a top priority. But there are trade-offs. Steel can dent, and if the surface gets scratched, it can eventually lead to rust if it's not maintained. So a simple way to think about it is this: if you're focused on value, security, and upfront cost, steel is often the better choice. If you care more about appearance, long-term durability, and a premium look, fiberglass may be worth the higher investment. And here's something important: there's no universal better option. The right choice depends on your priorities. Do you want the strongest return on your budget, or are you investing in a statement piece that elevates your home's design? Either way, both options can deliver excellent performance when installed properly. If you're still unsure which door is right for you, that's exactly where we can help. Reach out to Joyce for a free consultation and we'll walk you through your options, compare styles side by side, and help you choose the perfect entry door for your home. Because the right door isn't just about getting in and out, it's about making a smart investment that you see every time you come home.